Why, hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Just a Man Under His Deuce and a Half. Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and, how many of you are now wondering, what the is Bill doing underneath the deuce? Well, I am taking look number 2. We're going to go a little deeper. I'm going to see if I can remove this little adapter, speedometer, doomahickey, thingamajigger, bobber. But anyway, how would you all like to follow along? Sound like a plan? Let's get to it. Actually, got my light. So there's speedometer. It goes into this little adapter doomahickey thingy bobber. So I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna look at the end of that to see if it looks right, not kind of stripped out looking, whatever. And then I'm gonna take that loose, and we're gonna see if I can take this adapter out so I can see why it didn't want to take any grease. You can see I've got some grease on the end there, but I don't know if I just wasn't getting a good angle on it. So anyway, once I get it out, I'm gonna see if I can't shoot some grease in it, and all like that. But anyway, okay, well, got me a probably early crappy pair of pliers. We'll put my better ones on here. Let's see if I can do this. I don't know how the sound quality is going to be on here. If it's bad, I apologize. Yeah. Okay. Get retarded. Oh. Okay. Buy a deuce, they say. It's fun, they say. I don't know if I ever said that, actually. Well, that'll be easy to come off. So I could give it a nice little... Ow. Shit. It's really all that tight. Just a little awkward. There. What's the chances? Alright. Probably messing up by taking this out. Something just tells me that. Surely not. What? Damn battery died. Son of a bitch. Okay. Here's the bad boy. Got my workbench nice and cleaned up. Got some carburetor cleaner, you know, because I can't seem to find anything else. Carburetor cleaner is not degreaser. Ow, there's a cut on that finger. Okay. Ow, shit, still a cut on that finger. I got a brush. Let me find my brush. lined up halfway decent, so we'll be making yeah. Here's all my sockets. Have to be cleano enough. At least grease gun. Now. Well, let's see if this one's got a spark left in it. Okay, so I'm back. Got some grease from the store. So let's try to see if this thing will take some grease. Oh yeah, there's, I don't know if you all can see that. So there's a little loophole in the side. As soon as you start seeing grease pour out of that, whoop. All right. Okay. So this is greased. Up. Okay, so thought I was recording and I wasn't. Anyway, I got this hooked back up, got everything tight, so now I'll put the camera back up on the speedometer and we'll take it down the road and see if she's still bouncy. If it is, then I don't know. I guess I assume that the speedometer itself may be bad, or it still could be the cable, you know, because the cable looks rough. So anyway, let's get you positioned inside and let's take her for a drive. All right, here we go. Still got power steering. Wow, I'm impressed. Still a little bouncy, but let's see if it don't come out. Technically, it's a lot bouncy. that is gonna do it for this episode of Bill trying to fix the darn speedometer. Looks like this one's going to be a multi-episode adventure in itself. Anyway, that was one thing that, you know, I wanted to make sure that that little adapter wasn't dried out, and that was what was causing the bounciness. I think I've seen that on a YouTube video somewhere, but anyway, that obviously was not the problem. And so either it's the speedometer cable, which is most likely, and now I just got to figure out, because what do I want to do? Do I want to buy a speedometer cable? I've been dealing with the speedometer now for a couple years, and it really hasn't hurt my feelings at all. My end goal, I'm actually wanting to put all digital gauges. I'm wanting to make the truck with all my creature comfort, so eventually, you know, I would like for it to have air conditioning, but I still want it to look military. I'm trying to, at least from the road, make it look like it, you know, was original. Anyway, I appreciate you all watching my videos. Please like, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You can stay informed of my upcoming videos, because I'm not done making videos. Anyway, okay, y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, I will see you in the next video.